Welcome to today's review, where we'll take a look at some of the best tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. From powerful drills to precise cutting tools, these products are designed to help you tackle a variety of tasks with ease and efficiency. Let's dive in. The Metabo Multivolt Cordless Brushless Driver is a versatile tool designed for professionals and hobbyists who value power, durability, and convenience. This tool combines advanced technology and the reliability of the Metabo brand, providing the user with maximum performance in a compact body. The drill is equipped with a brushless motor, which provides high power, increased service life, and low energy consumption. The Multivolt system allows the use of both 18-volt and 36-volt batteries, providing flexibility for various tasks. The Zircon Multiscanner HD900C is a high-precision tool for finding hidden objects in walls, ideal for professionals and DIYers. This multifunctional device can quickly and reliably find framing elements, metal structures, pipes and electrical wiring behind layers of plasterboard, wood or concrete. One of the main features of the HD900C is the spotlight pointer technology, which clearly highlights the location of the object, as well as the deep scan mode, which allows you to scan materials at greater depths. The device is equipped with a digital display with backlight, ensuring easy reading of data even in low light conditions. The Makita DBO 481 18V LXT finishing sander is a versatile tool designed to create perfectly smooth surfaces when performing finishing work. Powered by the powerful Makita LXT 18-volt battery platform, this sander provides mobility and high performance without the need for a power outlet. The tool is equipped with a variable speed motor, which allows you to adapt to different materials, be it wood, metal, or composite surfaces. Rectangular sole. Malco hole cutters are robust tools designed to cut holes quickly and accurately in a variety of building materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. These cutters are ideal for working with sheet metal, as well as installing vents, electrical wiring, or HVAC systems. Malco hole cutters feature sharp, durable blades made of high-quality steel, ensuring long service life and precision when working with materials of varying thicknesses. The main feature of the tools is their ease of use, as they are designed to cut holes quickly and easily without distortion or burrs on the edges. Some models offer the ability to adjust the diameter of the holes, which increases the versatility of the tool. The Milwaukee copper tubing cutter is a reliable tool specifically designed to cut copper tubing quickly, accurately, and conveniently. Ideal for plumbing, HVAC, and water supply installations, this cutter provides high precision even in hard-to-reach places. One of the key features is the ergonomic design with a comfortable handle that provides a comfortable grip and minimizes fatigue during prolonged use. The hardened steel blade guarantees durability and wear resistance, ensuring a smooth, clean cut without burrs. The tool is equipped with a built-in automatic adjustment mechanism that adapts to the diameter of the pipe, ensuring ease of use with pipes of various sizes. The Alpha Rotary Circle Cutter is a precise and versatile tool, ideal for those working with fabric, paper, leather, and other thin materials. This cutter is designed to cut even circles with a diameter of 4 to 22 centimeters, making it an excellent choice for hobbies, sewing projects, scrapbooking, and professional design. The main feature of the tool is a sharp rotary blade, which provides a perfect cut without burrs and tears. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, which guarantees durability and the ability to use it repeatedly without losing its sharpness. The diameter is adjusted using a simple mechanism, which allows you to quickly set the desired circle size. The Bosch D-TEC 120 professional tracking device is a high-precision scanner designed for professionals working with various building materials. This tool is ideal for finding hidden objects, such as metal elements, electrical wiring, pipes and wooden beams, inside walls, floors and ceilings. The D-TEC 120 uses ultrasonic and radio wave technology to reliably and accurately locate hidden objects to a depth of up to 12 centimeters, depending on the material. The Hazette Turbo Air Compressor Tool is a powerful device designed for use in industry and car repair shops where high performance and reliability are required. This pneumatic tool is ideal for performing various tasks such as grinding, polishing, cleaning, and removing rust, as well as for working with fasteners. A special feature of the Hazette Turbo Air is its turbocharging system, which significantly increases the efficiency of the work. This allows the tool to reach higher speeds with less energy consumption, which makes it more economical and durable in operation. The design of the device helps to reduce vibration and noise levels, which increases comfort during long-term use. Fixion 2 is an innovative tool for gardening and winemaking professionals, designed for fixing and tying plants. This unique fixator uses a special tension system to securely fasten shoots and branches, which helps ensure their proper growth and development. Fixion 2 is ideal for working with vineyards, orchards, and greenhouses, as well as other agricultural and gardening projects. The main feature of Pellenc Fixion 2 is its high efficiency and ease of use. The tool is equipped with a battery drive, which eliminates the need for the user to use pneumatic or mechanical devices. Lightweight and ergonomic design allows for long periods of work without fatigue, and the adjustable cord tension allows you to select the optimal tension for different plants. Hammerfist is a specialized tool that is most often used in construction and repair work, as well as in the field of emergency assistance and self-defense. It is a striking tool with a wide and massive body designed to create powerful blows on various materials. In construction, Hammerfist can be used to destroy hard surfaces such as concrete, brick, and stone, as well as for working with large metal structures. The Tolson multifunction universal wrench is a versatile tool that will become an indispensable assistant for professionals and amateurs in the field of repair and construction. This multifunction wrench combines several types of tools in one body, which allows you to save space in the tools and facilitate work with various fasteners. The main feature of the Tolson multifunction universal wrench is its adjustable design, which allows you to use it to work with bolts and nuts of various sizes. Southwire Maxis XD1 is a high-quality cable reel designed for laying and pulling cables on construction sites. This tool is specially designed for efficient and safe use in intensive conditions, ensuring maximum productivity when laying cables, especially in large construction and infrastructure projects. One of the key features of the Southwire Maxis XD1 is its reinforced structure and robust body, which makes the reel resistant to mechanical damage and external influences. Cutting vinyl siding with Malco Products tools is a process that requires precision and the right tool to ensure quality work. One such tool is the Malco Vinyl Siding Cutter, which allows you to cut vinyl siding neatly and accurately, preventing damage and breakage. This cutter is equipped with sharp blades that easily cope with materials of varying thickness, creating clean, even cuts without burrs. The ergonomic handle provides comfort while working and reduces fatigue, which is especially important during long cutting sessions. The Kinch Chrome deburring tool is a high-quality device designed to remove burrs and irregularities from the edges of metals, plastics, and other materials after cutting or processing. This tool is especially useful when working with metal parts, pipes, and profiles, where it is important to ensure safety, as well as improve the appearance and functionality of the surface. The Kinch Chrome deburring tool is equipped with a sharp blade made of high-quality steel, which ensures its durability and efficiency. It allows you to quickly and accurately remove burrs and irregularities without the risk of damaging the material. The handle of the tool is made of durable and easy-to-grip material, which allows you to work comfortably in any conditions and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The Makita Cordless Earth Auger DDG 460 is a powerful and convenient tool designed for drilling holes in the ground, ideal for use in gardening, landscaping, and construction work. This drill is equipped with a battery drive, which eliminates the need for long cables and allows you to work anywhere without being tied to a power source. DDG 460 is powered by two 18-volt batteries, providing stable and powerful work. The maximum drilling depth reaches 1 meter, which makes it suitable for most tasks, such as installing poles, planting plants, installing fences, and other earthworks. Thanks to the use of two batteries, the tool works longer and can cope with more complex tasks without the need for frequent recharging. That wraps up our look at these amazing tools. Each one is designed to make your work more efficient and reliable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of top quality tools. Thanks for watching, and happy working!